So I just had to take the transfer box out on the Freelander. I think this is called an IRD box, but I'm not 100% certain. That spline goes into an attachment on your gearbox in clutch side. That splits off as a drive shaft to your front wheel. Your other front wheel obviously attaches to your gearbox, and then this piece attaches to the prop shaft, which goes to the rear. So as you can see, they all turn together. So basically it's just a transfer box putting power to the back wheels and your right front. Well, at least it's your right front on a little right-hand drive car. It's your main 4x4 box for your Freelander. It's bolted on by 4 bolts, 2 there, 2 at the bottom. But I'm not 100% certain, I don't think you can get to it without the gearbox removed. Might be wrong there. No, actually I think you can unbolt it and pull it away. So you just have to remove one drive shaft to get it off, and the prop shaft. Seems to be water cooled as well. So a good bit of kit, but I hear there's a few problems with these. This has got some sort of gunk around it, so it might have been worked on in the past. But not a very substantial piece of kit really for a 4x4.